So guys, we can see on our natural gas, by the way, let's see it, our natural gas has actually been giving us that huge bullish move, by the way, at least for 2 weeks now. Will I say 2 weeks? We are actually on a bullish move, a retracement, bullish move, a retracement, bullish move. Now, before we actually get started, please, if you've not subscribed, I want you to actually subscribe, please. So now, as we can see, we have actually opening and closing bullish. I believe we would actually open and close bearish for today. That is what I believe, because once we have this huge bullish move, like candlestick, huge bullish candlestick like this 1 2, I believe sooner or later we would be having that retracement, that red candle for the day, that red candle, we will be having it. And one of the reason why we would also have and also have that red candle today is that our price has actually hit one key level here. You can see this huge weak movement. This place has also served as a key level where our price tap this huge wick and push up. We can see that huge wick again here, and now our price has actually hit that huge wick again. That is why we see that fall here, and now today our price has now opened red, and I believe it will actually close red today. So the natural gas for the day, I am seeing a bearish move. Our price would actually close red today. So aim for a short, a short. If you have to trade on your 30 or 1 hour time frame, we should actually aim shorts. Now we can see on our price here, I'm seeing a fall. I'm going to take it as a retracement, and I'm going to see another fall again. So personally, I'm waiting for another fall on our natural gas, because I believe our natural gas will be going bearish. On our 1 hour time frame, we can see it, our price fell to this level here, give us that pullback. Now our price has actually fallen to this level here, and what I am seeing here is actually a retracement level. So I am waiting for a fall again on our natural gas. So my beats, my daily time frame, my 4 hour time frame, my 1 hour time frame, I am actually aiming to short this my natural gas for today only, not next week or for the week, but for today only. So I am actually waiting for a short on my natural gas. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like and share.